Good, Danka.
This call is
You
now
have not
being
sent your
recorded.
homework, both of you. Okay, Arshpreet, you have sent. Swati, your homework.
सर मेरे को क्लास का सर वो नहीं मिला सेस सर रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं मिली मेरे को
ओके, मैं आपको दे दूंगा, आज दे दूंगा, ठीक है।
सर अवपासन कौन सी वर्ब है सर इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है अवपासन का
कौन बताएगा? Who will tell?
Watching.
Yeah.
यस सर
Okay, Arshpreet, nice. Your sentence is correct. Okay. So, Naina, read Dry.
Wie heißt das in Ihrer Sprache, Ergangenji?
Yeah.
How you called in your language, you add.
Okay. First sentence, read.
Postest du manchmal etwas?
Yeah. Meaning.
You post sometimes something.
Okay, it's a question. Do you post sometimes something? So you need to write in your language.
Language.
In English, you can write. You just need to translate the sentences here.
Okay,
O-
sir.
Okay, it's a easy exercise. You can do this at home. Okay, to post, poston, and here we are making the sentence poston. So you can write the translation here.
So, what is the meaning of blocked?
ब्लॉग लिखते हैं ना, ब्लॉग लिखते हैं ना, जो पोस्ट लिखते हैं, ब्लॉग लिखते हैं,
Yeah,
तो
sir.
उसको बोलते हैं ब्लॉग।
Okay, sir.
या ओके गाइस, रीड द चैप्टर नेम, ये टॉपिक नेम।
Was is better?
बेसर, मीनिंग।
यस सर व्हाट इज
What
बेट
is better?
या ओके, सो हियर वी लर्न न्यू ग्रामर टॉपिक। Guys, do you know positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree in English? Everyone? Degree of comparison. Okay, guys. So this is a degree of comparison. Like in English, you have seen positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So in German, we say positive, comparative, and superlative. Okay, positive degree is just simple adjective. Okay, like schnell, quickly, soon, beautiful, net, nice. To make it comparative degree in adjective, we add er and then als. Meaning of als is then. जैसे हम इंग्लिश में then लगाते हैं, like I know better than him, better than him. So we use then. Similarly हम क्या use करते हैं als. in comparative. And superlative degree, we use superlative degree when we compare more than two things. For comparative, we compare between two things. Compare between two things. A positive, basic, or superlative compare more than two things. To make superlative, we use arm. जैसे हम इंग्लिश में दा लगाते हैं, इसमें हम लगाते हैं arm. Then adjective, then we will use either HTEN or ESTEN. We will use ESTEN when the word ends with D, T, X, beta, and Z. So, sneller, we add here snell में ER and then als. For superlative, arm, snellest than. Guys, clear till here? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. Please read all the degrees and tell the meaning. Snell, quick. Sneller hours, quicker. Arm, snellest than. The quickest. Yes, Arshpreet, please continue.
Funerales, Shunston,
Yeah.
beautiful,
More beautiful,
beautiful,
the
more
best.
beautiful,
Most
net,
beautiful.
net, netter, alles, net, nettesten,
Yeah.
nice, nicer, more nicer,
Yeah.
white, whiter, alles, whitesten, wide, more, wider, more widest, gross, grosser, alles, grosssten, big, bigger, biggest,
Yeah.
cult, culturalis, cultesten, cold, colder, coldest,
Yeah.
young, younger, alles, youngston, young, younger, youngest, good, besser, alles, besten, good, better, best, feel, mir, alles, meisten.
Yes. Gan is left. Read Gan.
Gern, lieber, alles, liebsten.
Yeah. Okay. Meaning of Gan here. Liberals.
So, gern means gladly.
Yeah. Rather than or more preferable. For some, there is an exception. You have to learn that. Guys, clear? Everyone, this part till here.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes, please tell Nana.
Sir, how we should know that where we have to use STEN और ESTEN.
ओके, सो लाइक ये वर्ड्स है ना, DTX βZ, अगर ये आता है वर्ड के एंड में, सो वी विल यूज ESTEN. For an example, this one. So we are using here ESTEN because यहाँ पर आपका क्या है, T. लाइक जैसे यहाँ पर T है अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल, लाइक दिस वन ऑल्सो, दिस वन ऑल्सो. ओके, और कुछ लाइक सुपरलेटिव डिग्रीज के साथ स्पेलिंग्स अलग हैं, वो आपको याद करनी पड़ेंगी. ओके,
ओके सर.
सर यहाँ पे जो एम है सर, इसका क्या मीनिंग होगा?
लाइक जैसे हम इंग्लिश में दा लगाते हैं, इसके लिए हम आम लगाते हैं.
यस सर.
ठीक है, ये सुपरलेटिव डिग्री को यहाँ पर रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. इसका मतलब बाय द, एट, ऑन, ये सब होते हैं इसका मीनिंग.
यस सर.
ओके, एनीथिंग एल्स, एनीवन टिल हियर? राकेश, वंशिका, अर्शप्रीत, क्लियर?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear sir.
ओके, now we understand this by example how we apply in the sentences. Yes, Rakesh, please read first sentence.
Eine Katze ist schnell.
Okay, so is this a positive degree or superlative or comparative degree?
सर पॉजिटिव.
A positive degree.
Yeah.
Okay. Ein Hund ist schneller als eine Katze.
Yes, meaning?
Meaning a dog is beautiful than to cat.
Sneller meaning, guys?
सर फास्ट.
Sorry. Dog is
Faster.
faster than to cat.
Yeah, fast or quick. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is
Com comparative.
Okay. So as per rule, schneller als. Okay. So we are using here schneller als. A dog is quicker than cat.
The cat.
Als meaning then.
Then
Yeah. Yes. Third one. Read.
ein Leopard is am Sklensten. The leopard is hosted.
Snellsten.
Sklensten.
Yeah. Meaning.
Leopard is hosted.
Yeah. The leopard is the fastest.
This is superlative.
Superlative. This is your
Lative.
superlative degree. Yes, Swati. Please read.
Sir, Berlin is the schön.
Yeah.
Berlin is beautiful. Sir,
Yes.
it's positive degree.
Yeah.
So München is the schöner als Berlin. Munich is the schöner als Berlin.
Yeah.
Munich is more beautiful than Berlin.
Yeah.
Comparative.
Yeah.
Hamburg ist am schönsten. Hamburg is most beautiful.
Yeah.
Superlative.
Yes. Yes, Vanshika, please read.
December is called,
Yeah.
February is called positive,
Yes.
December is flatter as February, December is colder than February,
Yeah.
January is Charleston, January is the cold, coldest.
Yeah. Guys, clear everyone how we can use
Yes, sir.
the sentence.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please take the screenshot, everyone. This one first. This one also. Guys, please tell what will come here. Small.
Klein. Der Apfel ist klein, kleiner als die Orange.
What?
So der Apfel ist kleiner.
Okay. Yeah.
Der Apfel ist kleiner als die Orange.
Yeah.
Orange.
Oranja.
Orange.
Kleiner als die
Die
Oranja.
Orange.
Yes, guys, please tell what will come here. Anyone?
Sir, alter als.
Yeah, great. Yes, guys, please tell what will come here.
Lauter. So die Musik ist lauter als das Radio.
Yes, correct.
Lauter.
Guys, what will come here? Vanshika, you tell.
Sir, may I tell?
Yes, you can tell.
Am Grosten.
Yeah, arm Groston. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, you need to learn the comparative degrees. Degrees you have to learn. Okay, guys. So next concept is zo adjective we. Okay. Like guys, जैसा हम कहते हैं as same as या as like as या as cold as. So the meaning is same here. So adjective we. For an example, heute is so heiß wie gestern. Today is as hot as yesterday. Okay. At the place of adjective, you will use positive degree. You can use zo adjective we or genauso adjective we. The meaning is same. You can use anyone you can use. Heute ist so heiß wie gestern. As hot as gestern. Or as hot as gestern. Heute ist genauso heiß wie gestern. Guys, clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nana, Rakesh, Swati, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Ashpreet, what will be the meaning? Read the sentence, please.
Their laptop is initialized with the tablet.
Yeah,
The laptop is not as preferable as the tablet.
yeah. As light as in weight. Okay. The laptop is not as light as tablet. Yes, Vanshika, please read.
As you so close, you can do this. He is as soon as he's getting.
He is.
As soon as.
Yes, Swati, please read.
Sie spricht so gut Deutsch bei English.
We English. English.
English. She speak as good Deutsch as English.
Yes. So guys, clear? Please take the screenshot of this concept also, everyone. Okay. Here now you need to make the sentences as homework. For an example, was sehen Sie auf den Fotos beschreiben Sie? Okay. So you can make the sentence. Their laptop ist besser als das Tablet. Guys, clear?
Yes,
You
sir.
need to make at least 2 or 3 sentences on every image. Okay. You can see here the degrees, more degrees, and here also. This one. You can use these degrees also. Next is you need to listen the audio and arrange the photos. Like first one or second one or third one, like this. The sequence is not correct. You need to listen this audio. In third one, you need to listen the conversation and fill the adjective here. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
In the fifth A, you need to match the following. The smartwatch is the so gross के साथ हम क्या लगाते हैं? V. The smartwatch is so gross with the Uber. Uber is watch. Smartwatch is this one. Digital watch. So answer is this one. You can do this. It's a easy. Vergleichen Sie die Sachen, schreiben Sie Sätze und sprechen Sie dazu Zweit. You need to compare. You need to make the sentences here also. For an example, the ebook is billiger als tablet. Guys, clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Try to make more sentences. Make at least 10 sentences. Okay. For this, I will check it. That's all for today. Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
No.
Okay. और आपको एडवांस में you need to read this article also. Read this one in advance. This page, whole page. So das ist alles. Vielen Dank. Gute Nacht.
Gute
Good
Nacht, sir.
enough.
Und bitte
Gute
schön.
Nacht, sir.
Bitte
Sir,
schön.
gute Nacht. Danke.
Ja.